Hi guys, good morning. Let me flex to you one of the recent project here in Manolo, Bukidnon, a resort condo style, the Dream Residences. So this is it. Dream Residence, guys, is a condo resort style wherein we have 6 swimming pools here and located in between of every building. So this is a very nice place, guys, very refreshing. The weather is cool, and look at this, guys, we have spacious houses here. This is the country home. We still have 5 available units here, and if ever interested, you might want to contact me at my mobile number 0917-412-9399. Okay, so let us roam around, guys. So again, this is the country home, a 3-bedroom unit with a total lot area of 107 square meter. And then we have the swimming pool here. We have the pool villa. Okay, so we have still available units on our phase 1 and phase 2. And guys, let us roam around. This is the hotel suites. And we have there the function rooms, the movie room, and music room. So let us have a glimpse, guys. So this is it, the music room, the movie room, perfect for group bonding or family affairs. We have here the function room. A corporate affair might do here. Okay, so we have another swimming pool here. So for now we have 2 swimming pools and 4 more are coming. Okay guys, this is it, Dream Residences. Thank you.